Hi there, home cooks. This is Chris, and it's time for another round of Cool Kitchen Finds, the monthly series where I share some of my favorite cooking tools, gadgets, accessories, and small appliances. This month is all about Father's Day. If you want more information on any of the items mentioned, links will be in the description below so you can take a closer look. If he likes to grill or barbecue, then he can never have enough thermometers. This wireless dual probe thermometer from Inkbird is a nice pickup for Dad. They sent this over to me to check out, and I have not been disappointed. Both probes transmit the internal temperature back to the base, and the black probe will even display the temperature of the grill, oven, or smoker as well. It has a really nice app that probably has more features than you would need, but the basics are there, like to alert you when a certain temperature is reached in the meat. You charge the base with USB, and the base charges the two probes. These magnetic spice racks from Prim Zuti were sent over to me, and you can grab them over on Amazon if you want. They come in a single rack, a 2-pack, and a 4-pack. Attach them to any magnetic surface, like a fridge, and you have an instant spice rack. Slap it on the side of a grill to add more space to your outdoor cooking setup, and take it away when you're all done. Very convenient, and so many options with these magnetic baskets, and they're a good find any dad would appreciate. If Dad really loves to cook, then you might want to consider a carbon steel pan for him. It's similar to cast iron, but it's not as bulky and heavy, but it has all the same benefits. It's non-stick and non-toxic. It does come pre-seasoned, but the more you use it, the better it becomes. So there are some rules to this pan, like you can't throw it in the dishwasher, and it does require a little maintenance similar to cast iron, but I actually like this better than cast iron. Elva sent this to me, and I've been using this 9.5-inch frying pan from Elva the past couple of months just to get a feel for it. I've never had carbon steel before, but I've had a few cast iron pans, and so far my preference is actually carbon steel, but both kinds are a great choice. You can check the link in the description if you want more info on Elva and their Forest lineup, which is their lineup with the acacia wood handle to keep things cool, but they have more to choose from their carbon steel lineup, different sizes and looks. One of these makes a very nice gift. This month's look at a newly released cookbook is a great pickup for Dad if he's a backyard barbecue guru. It's The Meathead Method, a Barbecue Hall of Famer's Secrets and Science on barbecue, grilling, and outdoor cooking with 114 recipes. It's a long title for a great book. By Meathead, the founder of AmazingRibs.com. Lots of great barbecue recipes, including the recipes you'd expect, like ribs, to cooking on a wok outside on a charcoal chimney. This is more than just a recipe book, though. Meathead goes into a lot of science about cooking. So if Dad likes to get a little nerdy about his food, then this is a must-have. It reminds me a lot, honestly, of Good Eats that Alton Brown used to host back in the day. In fact, Alton Brown has said this about this book: the only book on outdoor cookery you'll ever need. Now that says a lot. This is when you actually have to sit down and read and absorb all the knowledge, plus you got all the recipes too. I tried the championship rib recipe. I made his Memphis rub, Kansas City red sauce, and did some baby backs using the cooking method he has in this book. But there's also desserts like pineapple Foster and beef short ribs and the ultimate prime rib. Gifting Dad or yourself the Meathead Method is definitely a W. Thanks for watching another episode of Cool Kitchen Finds. I'm Cooking with Chris. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss another Cool Kitchen Finds video. Hopefully this gave you a few ideas for Father's Day. Links below in the description for more info. I'll catch you on the next one.